Simple BillBook, India's simple billing and accounting software. Let's see how to create an invoice, quotation, and Delivery Challan (DC) in Simple BillBook. First, open your browser and visit simpleBillBook.in. Log in using your registered email address and password. Select your company to continue. Once you log in, you will see the dashboard. Create Invoice Sales. To create an invoice, click Manage Sales on the left side panel. Then click Invoice below it. Next, click Create Sale on the right side. If you want to create a new customer, click New Customer at the top. Enter the required details and click Save. If the customer already exists, simply search and select the customer using the customer bar. After selecting the customer, enter the required details such as product, quantity, price, and payment details. Then click Create Sale to generate the invoice. Create Quotation. To create a quotation, select Quotation from the left side panel. Then click Create Quotation on the right side. Enter the required details such as customer, status, item, and quantity. After entering the details, click Create Quotation. Convert quotation to sale. If the quotation is accepted or confirmed, you can directly convert it into a sale. To do this, click Quotation on the left side panel. Find the quotation and click the three-dot menu in the quotation row. Select Convert to Sale. Then click Convert to Sale again. Finally, at the bottom, click Create Sale. Your sale will now be created directly from the quotation. Create Delivery Challan. To create a DC, click Delivery Challans on the left side panel. Then click Create Delivery Challan on the right side. Enter the required details and click Create Delivery Challan. With Simple BillBook, creating invoices, quotations, and delivery challans becomes quick and easy. Start using Simple BillBook today and simplify your billing process.